You know, I had recently had somebody ask me if I'd done anything with the 2240 Crosman, and I said no. I forgot. I was digging through some stuff, and I just happened to have a Crosman 2240 that I've been tinkering with. So, and I've got 30 or 35 CO2 cartridges. So let's see what this will do. Now, I've got my phone sheltered behind a backstop down by the target. I've got a used target. I have no idea where this is going to hit. I don't know if it's going to hit the target. I've got a green dot on here. I had to put the big target just because I needed to be able to see if I was hitting it or not, and I needed to be able to see it with this green dot on here. So we'll see. It's already got some holes in it, but maybe we can figure out where it's at. And this is bigger than probably the first 3 rings on that target. I need to bring it in closer, but let's see what we get. And I got the chronograph out. I didn't have a chronograph when I built this. I don't know if I've ever shot this or not. But anyway, enough talking. Let's start shooting. And the high relief is way too high on this. I saw dust fly from somewhere. 704. Okay. And that's been sitting in the sun. It's warm out here today. Can't tell if I hit anything or not. I'll have to walk over there. I'll shoot a couple and then walk over. Oh, I'm hitting the dirt. I don't know, a foot low and to the left. All right, let's see how this thing adjusts. I don't even know. Okay, there's up and down, there's right and left. It appears this moves it to the right. Well, maybe, in theory. That's all. Also the battery cover or something. Oh, this moves it to the right. Okay, that makes more sense. And I need to go up quite a bit. All right, there's no clicks on this. It's just up or down, left or right. And what I'm shooting in this is some Crosman doesn't say what weight they are. It's the pointed Crosman. That's weird. There's no weight on this at all. Pointed premium grade lead airgun pellets. 250 of them, 177, 4.5 millimeter. That's as good as it gets on that package. All right. It kind of looks like the barrel's pointed the right way now. Let's see what happens. A whole bunch of Eurasian doves just flew in. Well, they're going to have to wait. I'm not going to shoot at anything I don't know I can hit it. I heard a wood sound. I still don't see anything on the target. I'm going to have to get closer or something. But I did hear, I think I'm going to go up a little bit more. I don't think that's going. I guess it is. I don't know. Here we go. That looks like it hit pretty close. I didn't hear the wood sound that time. That looks like I hit pretty close to the center. And that was 720 feet per second. I forgot to say what the other one was because I forgot to look. All right, let's try this again. Huh. I don't see another thing on there. That one was 725. They just keep getting faster. I'm getting in there pretty close to the bull with this green dot. 724 on that one. That was shot number 6. I'm not going to torture you guys a lot, but this was a project gun. Once I saw it and remembered it, this is a project gun. This is a Benjamin Discovery barrel, and my plan for this is to build a shrouded barrel for it. And so that was always the plan for this. Had somebody ask if I shoot with both eyes open. If I'm using a non-magnified optic, I do, or if I'm using open sights, iron sights, whatever you like to call them, I use both eyes. It superimposes the dot over the target, which I really need since the dot is way bigger than the target. 722 on that one. .726. That was number 9. We'll just go for 10, and then we'll look at the target. I hear this thing moving. Okay, it's a Gammo green dot, and I don't know if it's switchable from green to red or not, but the green dot's very visible for what that's worth. Let that car go by. So if I'm doing what I think I'm doing down there, I'm pretty happy with the green dot. I might throw an optic on this at some point and see what the potential is. I don't like CO2 when it's cold because you lose so much power out of it. But I mean, 724. Let's see what we got here on my extreme spread and everything. Okay, let's see. We got session summary, and we've got a minimum of 704, maximum 726, average is 720, extreme spreads 22.1, and standard deviation 6.4. So, you know, for CO2, of course, that is a 24-inch barrel, but still, I mean, that's a doable pest control number with basically, these should be 7.9 grain pellets, so an 8 grain pellet. That's a doable pest control velocity. Let me go grab the target. I know you guys have already seen it, but I haven't. Well, you know what? I gotta say, I'm not at all disappointed with this. Man. So, yeah, that is doable accuracy with the green dot. So, I mean, I'm going to have to put an optic on here because I guess I should quit talking when I'm not even here. All right, I know y'all have already seen this, but you could tell I was pretty astonished at what I was seeing. So this is really, with an 8 grain pellet at that velocity, that's a doable pest control. And with an optic on there, I guess I'm going to have to put a piece of glass on it and see what kind of groups it's capable of, because the green dot, literally, it was this big on the target from that distance. Up close, I wouldn't have any problems pest control with a bird, or a rabbit even, maybe. at a slightly closer distance with that green dot. But I'm going to put a piece of glass on here, and you guys will get to see this again, or let me know if you don't want to see it, but I think there's going to be a few people that want to see it. Anyway, I appreciate it. I'm going to throw a video up over here you might like. YouTube's going to throw one down over here you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.